Welcome to Mindzita. Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to add a language translator to your WordPress website, so visitors can easily translate your site into different languages. For this tutorial, we'll be using the GTranslate plugin, which is simple and very easy to set up. So let's get started. Step 1. Log into WordPress. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. Step 2. Install the GTranslate plugin. In the search bar, type GTranslate. You will see the plugin called GTranslate. Click on Install now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. Step 3. Open plugin settings. After activating the plugin, go to the GTranslate settings. Here you'll see several options to customize how the translator will appear on your website. First, choose the widget look or style that you prefer. Then select the default language of your website. This is the language your site is originally written in. Step 4. Select languages. Next, select the languages that you want to add to your website. You can also enable alternative flags if you want to show different country flags for each language. Once you've selected all the languages and configured the settings, click Save Changes. Step 5. Add the translator to your website. Now the plugin will generate a shortcode. You can use this shortcode anywhere on your website, like on a page, post, or widget area. In our case, we have already added it to the header of our website, so visitors can easily access it from anywhere. Step 6. Check the translator. Now let's check the website. As you can see, the language switcher appears in the header. When I click on a language, the entire website content automatically translates into that language. And that's it! Your WordPress website now supports multiple languages. If you run into any issues, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.